Hey, it's Zach from Aero on Board. I'm going to show you guys how you can switch out the hardware from one Apple Watch band to the other if you got one of ours and you switched your Apple Watch out. So the hardware I'm going to be switching out is from a stainless steel Apple Watch to a space gray one. And if you buy that kit from us, the hardware kit, it comes with pretty much everything you need, which is the two adapters with the spring bars, or some people call them lugs, the buckle, the matching buckle, and then the spring bar tool to remove it if you really need to. So let me take this one off and I will show you guys how easy this is to switch out. So I like to start with the adapters first. Our adapters have these little holes in the side, so you can just stick this little pin down them and that'll release that spring bar. And it should have those two ends sticking out there. So I'm gonna do the same with the other one. And since the spring bars are actually in there, I'm not gonna use these spring bars that are already on this black one. Take those off real quick. So for this part, you can usually just do this with your fingernail. You can use the tool if you can't get in there, but most of the time that one's pretty easy. You have to just use it for the buckle in particular is the part that you need that tool for. Nice part is too, you always hear them click in place like that. So that's the two adapters installed now. So now we just got to do the buckle. And on the buckle, at these corners here, you'll take this, it kind of looks like a little fork at the very end. I'm not sure if that'll show up on the camera, but you stick that through in here, right in this corner, and push down. Push kind of down like that way, and that'll release that spring bar to come out, and it'll disconnect from the buckle. And then from there, there's a little spring bar sticking out, and you can just pull that out, and then pull out the little piece to the buckle, the tang, and then just put everything back together with the buckle that you need it with. So you put that tang in first, and put the spring bar through it. And just to make sure, because I've done this myself where I'll put the spring bar through and I didn't actually connect it to that piece, I just give it a pull to make sure that it actually went through. And from there on the buckle, there's a little notch on the side that needs to be facing up. And that's just, it pretty much tells you which way to face this. So then you just clip it in. Yeah, see this one I probably won't be able to do with my fingernails, so I'm gonna get that tool out. And then you could just pull on a little bit, just make sure everything's all secure there. But now, that'll look a lot better with that space gray watch instead of the stainless steel hardware on there. A lot better. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Of course, if you have any questions about this, if you've ordered from us in the past, feel free to email us or give us a call. All of our contact info is on our website. Thanks, guys.